Let's delve into the exceptional display of the OnePlus 12. OnePlus has truly raised the bar by equipping this device with a remarkable 6.82-inch QHD plus 2K OLED LTPO screen. What makes it stand out even more is its silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for seamless scrolling and immersive gaming sessions. What's truly impressive is that the OnePlus 12's display has earned the prestigious DisplayMate A+ certification, a testament to its premium quality and exceptional performance. Features like Dolby Vision, 10-bit color depth, Pro XDR, and 2160Hz PWM dimming further enhance the viewing experience, making it one of the best displays available. But the real star of the show is its incredible 4500 nits of peak brightness, setting a new standard for smartphone displays. Whether you're under bright sunlight or in a dimly lit environment, the OnePlus 12 screen ensures unmatched clarity and detail. Additionally, the Rain Touch support ensures that the screen remains responsive even in wet conditions. OnePlus has gone above and beyond to deliver not just a visually stunning display but also an immersive and responsive user experience, solidifying its position as a leader in display technology.